Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is KimberlyElese and today's video is going to be my everyday makeup tutorial. I've already done my eyebrows and done one eye off camera for you guys. The primer that you see on my face is the Evermatte Poreless Priming Perfector. I use my Benefit Precisely My Brow eyebrow pencil to do my brows, and to clean up my brows I use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. For the eyeshadow primer, I use the Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer. And the two eyeshadow palettes that I'm going to be using are both by Juvia's Place. It's the Warrior palette and the Masquerade Mini palette. So for the first eyeshadow, I'm going in from the Masquerade palette and I'm using the shade Zulu. You just want to put that eyeshadow in your crease, going back and forth in windshield wiper motions until you build that shade up. Making sure to blend it nice and seamlessly until you get something that looks like this. And then I'm going to go in with a MAC 217 brush in the Warrior palette and take the shade Mino and place that in my outer V, making sure to blend it into the first shadow that we put on. I'm just using this shade to deepen that outer V just a little bit. And then I'm going to take that first brush, the MAC 224 brush, to kind of blend them together a little bit. You just want to go back and forth until you get the opaque look that you want. And then I'm going to take the shade Kano from the Warrior palette and I'm going to place that on my lid. I'm not taking it too far up. I'm just going right up into my crease and placing that on my lid. I just want to build that up just a little bit. This look is a easy everyday look that you can wear to work. It's not too overpowering. And I'm using a MAC 242 brush to place that color on my lid. I'm taking a little bit in the inner corner, but staying underneath the crease area. And then I'm taking that brush that I use to deepen up my outer V and just blending that shade into the shade that I put on my lid. And use the first shadow to go in and blend the top. You want to make sure everything is nice and blended until you get something that looks like this. And then I'm going to go in with my Rollerball eyeliner by Benefit as well, and I'm going to line my eyes. I do like to wear a wing sometimes, so I'm going to make me a nice little wing. And after I get that wing nice and straight, I'm going to go in with lashes, and I'm using my favorite eyelash glue by Kiss. It's the liner lash glue, and I'm using the Ardell Wispy lashes. I think these are the 613 lashes. And for mascara, I'm using my Lancome mascara to blend my natural lashes in with the falsies. And then we're going to go in with my foundation. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Eavesdrop Blurring Skin Tint Foundation in the shade 24, and I'm just going to blend that all over until it's nice and seamless as well. I'm using a flat top buffer brush by Morphe to blend this out. I love this skin tint, by the way, guys. It looks natural and not overpowering. It really does kind of look like skin, but better. And then for concealer, I'm going in with my Shape Tape Concealer by Tarte, and I'm going to highlight all the highlight points of my face, underneath my eyes, my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, and on my chin. And then I'm gonna take a beauty blender and blend that all out. You just want to blend it out until it's nice and seamless. And then I'm going to take my foundation brush. I'm not putting any more foundation on the brush, but I'm going to blend out the edges of that concealer as well so that everything looks nice and seamless. And after that's nice and blended, I'm gonna go in with my powder. The powder that I'm using is the Coty Airspun powder in translucent. I'm just gonna set everywhere that I put that concealer. Guys, I've been using this powder for years. Comment down below your favorite translucent powder to use on your face. I'm currently looking for a new one because I have currently been obsessed with this one for years. And after placing that in all the highlighted places, I'm just gonna push it into my skin with the beauty blender. And then it's time to contour. For contour, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Match Stick in the shade Caviar. Guys, I absolutely love this contour. And then I'm gonna blend it out with an angled brush. I like to blend my contour upward to give the appearance that my cheekbones are a little higher than what they are. So I'm just gonna blend that out until it's nice and seamless. And I'll leave all these products down below in the description box just in case I forgot something. So I'm just gonna continue to blend that out until it's nice and seamless. And after that's nice and blended, I'm going to set it with my bronzer. And for the bronzer, I'm gonna use the Prime Beauty bronzer in Chocolate Liddy. I'm just gonna place it on top of the contour and then I'm gonna blend it out. Like so. I absolutely love this bronzer. It's deep enough for my skin tone without making me look like I'm doing too much. And I'm also gonna contour my nose with this bronzer as well. I'm just gonna take the tip of the brush, pinch it, and go around where I put the concealer and the powder. And then to blend everything out nice and seamless, I'm gonna go in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Darkest Deep. And I just go over my entire face, blending out those harsh lines and setting the areas where I don't have any powder. And once I have that blended nice and smoothly, I'm gonna go in with my blush, and I'm using my MAC blush in the shade Raisin. I absolutely love this blush, guys. It's a natural flush of color on your cheeks without making you look like you're doing too much. Absolutely love the color. In my opinion, it is the everyday blush. And then to highlight the corners of my eyes, I'm going in with this highlight from Makeup Revolution. It's the highlighter reloaded in the shade Make an Impact. And I'm just placing that in the corners of my eyes. And then I'm gonna set my face with my MAC setting spray, the Fix Plus setting spray. And for lips, I'm going in with my Morphe brown lip liner and my MAC lipstick. I'll leave the shades down below, guys, because I really can't think of the shades right now, so I'll leave them in the description box. I'm just going to line my lips with the dark brown lip liner. And then I'm going to go in with my lipstick after that and make sure to blend those in really well as well, guys. I absolutely love this lipstick shade. It gives my lips a pop of color without doing too much, and I absolutely think this undertone looks wonderful on dark skin. Alright guys, so this is pretty much the completed look. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell notification so that you don't miss when I post a new upload. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and until next time guys, bye.